In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and associate multiple objects in HubSpot efficiently and effectively. If you're working with HubSpot data, mastering the import tool can greatly enhance your experience. Whether you're looking to import contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, the process is quite straightforward when broken down into clear steps, so let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to the import tool. You can easily find this by going to Settings, selecting Data Management, and then choosing Imports. Alternatively, if you're on any object index page like contacts or companies, you'll spot an import button at the top right. Clicking there will serve the same purpose, getting us started with the import process. Once there, click on Import a file and proceed to Start Import. This is where you decide which objects you want to import. HubSpot offers you the flexibility to choose from multiple options, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets, depending on your requirements. Next, you need to choose your file type. Depending on your setup, you can either work with a single file or multiple files. If your data is consolidated in one file, you should include all records you wish to associate within the same row. However, when dealing with multiple files, it is crucial to have a common column like company name or company ID. This commonality acts as a link between the records in different files, ensuring they associate correctly in HubSpot. Now it's time to upload your CSV file or files. Take a moment to ensure everything is in order. After uploading, you'll move on to mapping the columns. This step is where you match the columns from your file to the appropriate HubSpot properties. Accurate mapping is essential to avoid errors and ensure your data maintains its integrity throughout the import process. Once you've done the necessary mappings, it's crucial to review and confirm your import settings. Double-checking here can save you a lot of headaches later. Once everything looks good, proceed to confirm the import. After the import is complete, verify the associations created between records. You'll want to ensure everything linked correctly, so take a deep dive into the imported records for peace of mind. For a successful import experience, consider utilizing HubSpot's sample files. They're tailored for common use cases and can guide you through setting up your import structure. Always include a common association column when using multiple files to link your data correctly. Make sure your mappings are precise to maintain data integrity, and don't forget to perform a small test import. This helps identify any potential issues before undertaking a larger import. Lastly, remember that HubSpot imposes certain import limits, so stay informed about file size or daily import restrictions. With these steps and tips, importing and associating multiple objects in HubSpot should be a breeze. Good luck and happy importing.